Hello honeys and welcome to today's video. Basically I'm going to start on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I'm going to start by applying the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner to my hair. Now I'm just going to work it into my hair. You can see me working it in, like getting all that moisture into my hair. Yes, get that moisture. So now when I'm done applying, I'm going to apply it to my ends also. Do not forget to apply it to your ends. It's very, very important. So I'm going to apply raw shea butter to my ends only. My ends tend to get very, very dry. I do not know why, and I don't like it, so I just like applying shea butter to my ends to make it much more, softer and sealed and all that. So now I'm just going to apply Cantu Coconut coiling cream to my hair. Also, this actually makes my hair define, and it also makes my hair soft and smell nice and all that jazz. So now I'm just going to keep on working it in. Then I'm going to section that section into two. Then I'm going to just twist it up, and I'm going to be right back. I'm going to do it all over my hair, and I'm going to come back soon. So honeys, I went ahead to create a side part on my hair. So now I'm just going to unravel that section. I'm going to just comb or finger detangle that section. So now I'm going to be using Ecostyler Jamaican Black Castor Oil Styler. I'm going to section my hair into a smaller section. I'm just going to apply water because the hair works better when styled when it's damp. I'm going to apply the gel and work my hand through. Make sure that there's no tangles and all that. So now I'm going to twist my hair. Basically, I'm going to show you how to twist your hair slowly. Now this is just it. Just basically you roll it around your hand and you twist it. Roll it down your hand and you overlap it. I'm going to show you in a few seconds. So now this is it. So just see me rolling it around my hand, then I twist it, roll, twist, roll, twist, roll, twist. Basically that's it. It's very simple. Just roll your hair and twist it. That's how to twist it. When you get to the end of your hair, just add a little bit more gel, just a very tiny bit of gel to the ends, then just twirl it around your hair and finger curl it. Yes, that's how it is. So honey, basically now I'm just going to do the same thing to other sections of my hair. I'm going to apply a little bit of water to my hair. I'm going to apply gel. I'm just going to finger comb or finger detangle my hair. I'm just going to twist it up, and don't forget to twirl the ends. Makes your style come out bomb and all that. So now I'm just going to keep on doing it. I'm going to come back when I'm done doing it all over my hair. So see you soon. So guys, basically I'm done twisting my hair. You can see how my hair looks like yes, very tiny. Why am I eating like that? I'm very sorry. I don't know why I eat like that, but I'm not a bougie eater at all. So basically this is the next day. My hair is moisturized, is dry, ready to be unraveled. Yeah, make sure your hair is 100% dry. So basically I'm going to be adding oil to my hands. That's jojoba oil. You can use any oil you like, just to make sure that you do not get frizz, your hair doesn't get rough like when you're unraveling it. So now I'm just going to unravel or untwist, just separate my twist basically, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Why am I doing like a bad guy? Basically now I'm just going to just unravel it. Yes, that's what I'm doing. This is how, just gently do that and do that all over my hair. Then I'm going to be right back.
Baby, kilo day.
So honey, basically I'm done unraveling my hair first step. Now I'm going to unravel it again because it's too flat for me to go out like this. I'm just going to keep on unraveling it step by step, one by one, gently actually, making sure I'm going to unravel it where my hair wants to unravel itself. Do not force anything, if not you're going to create frizz. And this is why I also say that your hair must be detangled very well before you start the style, because if not, you won't be able to unravel your hair easily, just causing yourself with frizz and rough hair, and you wouldn't like that. So now I'm just going to continue like doing that, continue separating my hair. I'm going to show you like how to separate it gently and easily in a few minutes or in a few seconds. Basically just like unravel. So now I'm just going to show you, see my hair here, just where it wants to naturally separate. Yes, where it naturally wants to separate. Yes, now I'm going to just show you again. See my hair here, separate it at first. Yes, and I'm going to just feel it and see, okay, this way was, can you see? Simple. Yes, yes, that one separates again. Another one has gone down. Yes, separate again. Yes, just gonna keep on. So now I'm gonna just apply my bobby pin to style it. Basically I already slayed my edges and now my style is complete. So yeah, I'm done with my twist. I'm going to be using my hand, just shaping it to do whatever I want to do, fluffy, however shape I want it. I'm just going to be using my hand. So basically my twist out is perfect. It looks so really nice. It has body, it has like definition, it's soft, everything I want in a twist out, I have it here on my head. So basically I'm hyping it too much. I'm not hyping it too much, it's actually like what the hype. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, a thumbs up. You can share to your friends. If you want to know how to make a twist out on your hair and all that, you can also subscribe to my channel, support me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like in a second or so, you're gonna see a close-up. Yes, this is close-up. Yes, yes, honey. Defined, moisturized, body, everything good. Yes, I like the twist out. So thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great day, have a great week, have a great life. Bye.